AR Squad. Thank y'all so much for tuning back in with your girl. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post bell notifications so you do not miss anytime I post a new video. So y'all, we have a cash out request to do a new edition. Can you stand the rain? Let's go ahead and get right into it. Y'all, my cash apps are back open. So if y'all want to send your girl a cash out request, go ahead and look at my description box below to see how you can send me one. A lot of y'all asked how y'all can send me a cash out request. Everything you need to know is down in my description box below. All right, let's get into it. Came on too smooth. We gotta go back. Ding, ding. Like, come on now. Oh, it's Johnny Gill. Okay, this finna be that. I'm already knowing what Johnny can do. We just gonna do one of these here. We can you hear it? Cause no, what we not gonna do is play around. Yeah.
On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. When that's not possible, tell me, can you ever restore? Cause I need somebody who will stand by me.
Come through!
The good times and bad times, she would always be right there. Sunny days, everybody.
Okay, wait. I do know this song, but I've only heard bits and pieces. Like, I've heard this chorus in like a movie, but I've never heard the whole song. Okay, I never knew who sung this. Let me go ahead and this is definitely make it on the playlist cause I need some. Come on now, yeah. Don't play with him. We're gonna put extra stars on this. This is Lover Boy all the way. You know I love me a Lover Boy. Come on now. Okay, I never knew who sung this, but I've definitely heard that chorus before. I've never heard this whole song. That's crazy. All right, we finna get into it.
Who will stand by me through the good times and bad times? She would always be right there. Sunny days,
hey,
everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain? Love unconditional.
come on, Johnny.
I'm not asking just of you. Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done.
Woo! He said, "Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever that needs to be done." Woo! This song, this is powerful. Because no, it's like a relationship song. I'm realizing it's not as much of as a lover song as I'm thinking, but it is though, because it's more about like relationships. So like when everything going good, people can be like great with one another. But when storms come, when problems come in y'all relationship or whatever, that's when y'all relationship get tested, honestly. And is you gonna stick through the storm with me, or you gonna leave me? Yo, yeah, I be so sick to my stomach to know that songs don't have no meaning. Like this song has meaning. Like a lot of the songs or most of the songs back then had a lot of meaning to it. It wasn't just a song that it just had a nice beat. It had meaning. It had vocals. It had everything, literally. Like the song, and I'm not trying to like downplay the songs of today, but ain't no way they touch this. Like the songs, the people we have is Sexy Red. Like we have Sexy Red. It's get it sexy. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little vibe, but what is it really feeding? You know what I'm saying? What is it really feeding our mind? Like this, timeless. Whenever this was made, you can listen to this today and you can still understand you can still feel this. That's what it is. That's what music is supposed to do. Make you feel. It's making me feel the feels that it's supposed to feel. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to try not to stop.
I'm not asking just of you. Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done.
But I need somebody who will stand by me. When it's tough, she won't run. She will always
His voice.
be right there for me. Everybody loves them. Tell me, can you stand up? Can you stand it? Storms will I know all the days won't be perfect. But shall we, can you stand it? Can you stand the rain? Can you stand? No pressure from me, baby. 'Cause I want you and I need you and I love you. Tell me, baby.
No, I got to hear that back. And I'm not even gonna try to. Yeah, he did that. Okay.
No pressure from me, baby. 'Cause I want you and I need you and I love you. Tell me, baby. Will you be there for me? Come on, baby. Let's go get wet.
Woo! Let's do what, baby? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's do what, baby? Y'all be playing with me. Y'all be knowing exactly what y'all be doing when y'all request songs like this. Now he had the deeps. Ooh.
Come on, baby. Let's go get wet.
I'm telling my husband, sir.
Can you stand the
Yeah.
rain? Will you be there, girl? Storms will come for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Absolutely. That was so freaking sexy. Can you? I've never heard that whole song. That's fire. You know that song that y'all like. Hear me out. You know that song that you thought was like just trash and you just kept skipping by it. That was this. I'm gonna be honest. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I like that. I'm telling my husband. He telling some. Let's go. What? Let's do what, sir? I'm telling. Anyways, y'all, if y'all like my video, Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, like, comment, subscribe. Share with your mom, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your grandma, and your grandpa. Bring them all to the AR Squad because we lit over here. Anyways, AR Squad, stay beautiful, stay sweet, and keep your business out the street. Bye, y'all.